Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Governor of the Bank of Jamaica, Richard Biles, says inflation for July 2025, as reported by the Statistical Institute of Jamaica, stood at 3.3%, lower than the figure recorded a year earlier and below the BOJ's targeted range of 4 to 6%. He was speaking at the bank's quarterly news briefing on Thursday, August 21. Governor Biles expressed the hope that during the last quarter of 2025, we will have the conditions in place that will cause interest rates to go down, end quote. Contending that the BOJ has been working earnestly with the banks to iron out some of the causes for interest rates to go down. JN Money Services has expanded its remittance services to 10 new countries. The new territories are Gambia, Nepal, Nicaragua, Guyana, Honduras, India, Kenya, Philippines, Senegal, and Uganda. Horace Hines, General Manager of JN Money Services, told R Today that the decision to expand into these markets was driven by customer needs, noting that the expansion is especially essential for the large number of migrants from these countries so that they can contribute to the welfare of their families in their respective home countries. He said that with this expansion, JN Money is poised to strengthen its role as a trusted bridge between migrants and their families, even amid evolving policy challenges. For the trading period ending August 22, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. PVC Manufacturer and International Hardware, Fosterich Company Limited, with 20,655,633 units traded, representing 47.23% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans Jamaican Highway Limited, with 7,419,317 units traded, representing 16.96% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited, with 4,114,773 units traded, representing 9.41% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On August 22, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US 57.73 million purchased and US 37.80 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.62 per dollar, selling the US at $160.84 and buying the US at $159.22. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.32 per transactions, with selling at $116.89 and buying at $115.57. The British pound yielded Forex traders $7 in profits, with selling at $216.83 and buying at $209.83. For our credit report tip of the day, most people don't realize how much power their credit report holds until it costs them money, time, and opportunities. When you fail to check your credit score or review your credit report regularly, you're leaving your financial future up to chance. Now, here are a few ways that ignoring your credit score can hurt you. You pay higher interest rates on loans. You will be denied mortgage application, and you have lower credit limits on your credit card. When you're building something from nothing and moving from recovery to resilience financially and beyond, as women over 45, we've lived through enough seasons to know that money, like nature, has its cycles. What if your financial planning could flow with the same wisdom as the earth itself? By combining timeless money principles with the natural rhythms, you create business strategies that are sustainable, intuitive, and deeply aligned with your stage of life. So here are some ways to connect money to nature cycles in your business planning. So set fresh quarterly income goals and revisit your business mission. Does it still serve you? And plant new revenue streams like consulting or digital products. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.